Okay, so the question is, find the standard form of the equation of the circle centered at 1 and -2 and containing a point -5 and 1. In order to fully express the standard form of the circle, we need to find its radius. The center is already given in this problem, which is 1 and -2. So that's provided right here. And if you look at the standard form, you'll see there are variables of h and k that can be plugged in. So the standard form of the circle is so that's the standard form. So that's what we want to get it into. You can easily find the radius of the circle this way when you take the x and y values provided. The equation will look like this before manipulating it, and then plug in the center, hk, represented as 1 and -2. Then you can simplify it from there. This one you don't need to manipulate because it's already in the correct form, but this has two negatives, so remember that when you have two negatives it becomes a positive, so it would be y plus 2. So then if you take your containing points, which is -5 and 1, and plug it in, you should be able to find the radius. So take -5 minus 1 squared plus y. Oh, yeah. So that'd be 1. Sorry. 1 plus 2 squared equals r squared. And if you simplify that, -5 minus 1 is -6 squared plus 3 squared equals r squared. And if you, just because it's a negative doesn't mean it's going to be negative an answer just because you're squaring it. So really it's -6 times -6, and negative times a negative equals a positive. So that becomes 36 plus 9 equals r squared. So if you add the two together, 45 equals r. So then, if you just take that and put it back into the standard form, you should be good. So take your first equation here before you plugged in the values. And that is in your standard form.